Alright, I wanted to show you guys how I have my methanol kit installed. I've been asked how the hell it is I got it back here the way I did. But anyways, first things first, there's the tank. How do I fill it up? I remove this, there's the cap, and do my business. I have two of those, I call them check floats. I don't know what they're called, floats. One of them is hooked up to the digital controller, the other one is hooked up to 3 blue LEDs, so I can see it right. Alright, right here is where the methanol comes out into this line and it goes that way. Before that, I do want to show you guys, I have this mounted in front of the bumper to protect the tank from any debris hitting it. Now I did have to chop up this grill a little bit, actually quite a lot, but I didn't care because it's not the RTR grill. This is the cheap eBay one and it works fine. I'm not having any issues. Actually, that's not true. I think this LED here blinks sometimes without me turning on the blinker, but anyways, and it goes into this filter. From the filter it goes down lower to the tank, and then the tank pushes it up over to a T that you cannot really see down there. Okay, that T, one of the lines goes here to the charge pipe, and the other line comes over here into the solenoid, and then into another T, and from there it goes into the Boomba manifold spacer into each port. Okay, now over here on the front of the car I have my cluster. This gauge right here is, or excuse me, this is the digital controller for the MAPerformance methanol kit. It has an outer ring in here on the display when it's turned on that blinks and it tells you that the methanol is low or whatever. And then here, right there, I have the 3 LEDs that I mounted as the second, actually that's the first one, I believe this is the second one. So once it starts getting a little bit low, that one will turn on to 3 LEDs, and then once it's really low, this one will turn on. And I should probably flip those 2 around, but anyways, I pay attention to that very carefully. I don't want, if you're not paying attention to it, your car will blow. Dang, I just said a bad word and now I have to put on, I'm gonna have to bleep it out, or I'm gonna have to anyways, if y'all make videos, y'all know what I'm getting at here. But anyways, that's it. If you guys have any questions, want to know more about the methanol kit or something about the EcoBoost Mustang,